Hello students, in this video we will discuss about application of integrals, which is the 8th chapter of class 12th maths NCERT. Now in this chapter we will learn how to find the area under curve, that means area bounded by any simple curve or a curve and a line between a region, a curve and a line, or two between two curves. Now this is very important. How many topics related to this chapter? Our topics are: first is area, related to curve. Simple curve, to simple curve. Simple curve between given limits. Second, area between given curve and a straight line. And third one is area between two given curves. Now we will take here one by one and describe about it. We take here first area related to simple curve between given limits. Simple curve. Let y equal to f of x is a curve which is a simple curve, and if we want to find the area of this curve, suppose this is XY plane and this curve, suppose this is a curve y equal to f of x. Now you want to find area bounded by this curve. Suppose this is the point A and this is the point B. That means this area enclosed by this curve, and we want to find the area of this region from A to B. For this, first we should be divide this whole region into small rectangular strips which will be perpendicular to x-axis or parallel to y-axis. I like this. Suppose this type of strips drawn into this, and I like strips drawn into whole region. And again we consider this is the shape of a rectangle, and we consider that width of this strip, this is very small, so we consider width of this strip is dx, and length of this strip means y. Suppose this is a y-axis and this is the parallel to y-axis, so length will be y. Therefore, if we find the area of one strip, that means if this strip in the rectangular form, so area of this one strip equal to length into width, that means y into dx. So area of function, the area of region equal to integration over, integration means if you find the area of one strip and if you integrate this, that means adding the area of whole strips from A to B, this will be limit A to B, and area of this one strip, that means length into width, where y is the length of given strip and dx is the width of same strip. So area of region, area of region or bounded region, area of bounded or shaded region will be equal to integration over a to b y into dx. This is the first case. Since as you see here y equal to f of x, this curve above the x axis which is greater than 0, that means area of f of x is greater than 0 because this is the in positive direction. Now if this curve below the x axis, that means suppose this, and this is the curve y equal to f of x, this curve is below the x axis, this is the x, o and y dash, so this will be less than 0. But if you want to area bounded by this curve, that means suppose this is the a and this is the b, a to b, then we can find the area of this shaded region. Finding the area of same region, we should be draw the small strips like in the first equation we already drawn, and consider that width of this strip is dx, this is very small, and length of this strip will be y. Since length is never negative, so we write length of this is y. Now area of bounded region equal to integration over a to b and area of one strip, that means y into dx. But as you know that since f of x is less than 0, so this will be negative sign. Now as you see here, area will be negative because here negative sign, but as you know also area never negative, so we should be take as a modulus, that means area never negative, so answer will be always positive, that means this will be integration over a to b y into dx. Now in both situations, on the place of y, we should be write y equal to f of x, that means what is the equation of this curve, we should be right here and integrate them and apply the limits, then you can get the answer. On the same way, on the place of this y, we should be write f of x, that means what is our equation of this curve, and integrate them, then apply the limits, and we can get the area of this bounded region. Now in the second case, if this curve is given along the y-axis, that means I like this. If this curve is given I like this, suppose this is a curve x equal to f of y, and if we want to find the area bounded by curve, suppose this is point and this is the point, suppose this point is C and this point is D. Now if you want to find the area of this region, that means this shaded region, so we should be draw a small strips along the x-axis, that means the horizontal line or parallel to x-axis, like this. This is the small strips in the form of the rectangle, and if width of this is denoted by dy, which is very very small, and the length of this is denoted by x because this strip parallel to x-axis. So area of this will be area of above region will be equal to integration over c to d into area of one strip, that means x, which is the length, and into dy, which is the width, length into width. So this will be area of given region if curve given along the x-axis. Now, if this curve given in the negative direction of y-axis like this, that means x equal to f of y, and if we want to find this bounded region where this is the C and this is the D, then we should be drawn small strips like this parallel to x-axis or horizontal, and consider width of this small strip is dy, which is very small, and length of small strip is x. So area of bounded region will be equal to integration over C to D and C to D x into dy. Since this is in negative direction, so this will be less than 0, and this is the positive direction, then this will be greater than 0. So this will be negative, but area never negative, so we can take, we will take the modulus sign, that means C to D x into dy. This is the 4 type of cases in the area related to simple curve between given limits. Now, in the next video, we will discuss about how to find the area between the one curve and a straight line.